In front of me is STK Life 9, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Languages and Input. Here pick this first option, which is for languages, and now click on Add a language. Pick the one that you would like to apply, so as you can see the list is pretty long, you will definitely find something suitable. Just pick the language that you want to apply, then select the region, and then you need to slide it up to the first place to make it a default language. Actually, this one may not work in some apps, as you can see. Okay, so it's not even in settings, as we can notice, but let me pick, for example, Spanish. So let me slide it up to the first place. And as you can see, it has been already changed, so now this new language has been applied, and whenever you would like to change it again, just perform the same action. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.